Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, class 10th, Pakistan Studies. Today we are going to read page number 36 to 38. Our topic is Pakistan relation with Organization of Islamic Conference countries, OIC countries. So, why the OIC was established? So, here we can say the tragedy of Aqsa Mosque by 1969 gathered representatives of all the Muslim countries to the world in Rabat in city in Morocco. Pakistan suggested the formation Pakistan suggested the formation of a permanent organization to be named Islamic Conference, which was supported by all the Muslim countries, and the Organization of Islamic Conference was established. Its head office is in Jeddah. Pakistan played an important role in drafting its manifesto, the Organization of Islamic Conference. Brief description of Pakistan relation with Islamic countries. Pakistan is always willing for the unity of Islamic world and has played an important role for creating harmony and cooperation among them. It has supported the movement started for the cause of Muslim and has openly favored its stand to United Nations. So you can write the headings. First of all, Pakistan relation with OIC countries. Then from here you can say tragedy of Aqsa Mosque. Then Pakistan and Saudi Arabia relationship. Saudi Arabia is a spiritual center of the all Muslim because of Harman Sharif. Pakistan has friendly relations with Saudi Arabia, beginning of political and diplomatic relations. The mutual relations between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia are based on the solid basics of brotherhood because the holy places of the Muslim are located in Saudi Arabia where thousands of Pakistan visit to perform Hajj. The foreign policies of both countries emphasize about the unity of the Muslim world. Before the birth of Pakistan, Saudi Arabia supported the Pakistan movement and recognized it immediately. Culture and commercial ties. Pakistan extended technical cooperation to Saudi Arabia and provided the valuable services to it for defense and modernization of its Shah Faisal constructed Faisal Mosque and International Islamic University in Islamabad with huge money. A role of Saudi Arabia in Indo-Pak wars. Saudi Arabia helped Pakistan in Indo-Pak War of 1965 and 1971 financially and support its stance. Saudi Arabia role on Kashmir issue. Saudi Arabia stood with the Pakistan on the Kashmir issue. Shah Faisal fully cooperated with Pakistan for holding the Second Islamic Conference in 1974. They also not protest but also provide moral, political, and financial support to Pakistan and Afghanistan during war. They also provide them financial aid of oil. Role of Saudi Arabia in Afghanistan issue. Saudi Arabia strongly condemned the Russian attack on Afghanistan in 1979. Saudi Arabia not only protested but also provided moral, political, and financial support to Pakistan and Afghanistan during war. Pakistan and Saudi Economic Commission. Saudi Economic Commission was established at Riyadh in 1998, which executed work in 155 fields in Pakistan and provided financial aid for their completion. Under this commission, 150 plans have been started, which are also fully funded by Saudi government. Welfare visits and meetings. The Prime Minister of Pakistan visited Saudi Arabia in 2008. In this visit, including oil supply to Pakistan on deferred payments from Saudi Arabia, many agreements were signed between the two countries. Saudi Arabia is very close to Pakistan nowadays and both depend upon each other. Saudi Arabia and Pakistan friendship is deepening day by day. It is long question number 9 of your book, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia relationship. Second topic is Pakistan relation with Turkey. Pakistan is always willing for the unity of the Islamic world and it has played an important role for creating harmony and cooperation among their own. Pakistan and Turkey has friendly relationship. Turkey recognized Pakistan immediately after its birth and extended complete support to it on its stand on Kashmir issue. Turkey supplied Pakistan with arms and ammunition in 1965 Indo-Pak War when Turkish president visited Pakistan in 1966. Pakistan thanked him for their help in the war. Role of इस पे आप heading बनाएंगे role of Turkey in Pak India wars. First पे आप heading बनाएंगे role of Turkey establishment of Pakistan and Turkey. Third, cooperation organization. Pakistan and Turkey Organized Regional Cooperation for Development (RCD). Pakistan and Turkey Organized Regional Cooperation for Development (RCD) in July 1964 with mutual understanding. पाकिस्तान और तुर्की ने मिलके रीजनल कॉपरेशन फॉर डेवलपमेंट यानी RCD के नाम से एक इदारा 1964 में बनाया. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज रीएक्टिवेटेड इन 1985. नाउ इस कॉल्ड इकोनॉमिक कॉपरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ECO कहा जाता है इसे अब 85 में, विद 10 मेंबर्स. इसमें 10 मेंबर्स हैं. फाइनेंशियल कॉपरेशन इज गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड टर्की. द कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनीज ऑफ बोथ द कंट्रीज हैव बीन स्टार्टिंग जॉइंट प्रोग्राम ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. द मिलिट्री रिलेशंस आर स्ट्रॉन्ग. Ministerial Commission. Due to the dialogues, Ministerial Commission of Pakistan and Turkey, 4 agreements were signed in 2002 in Islamabad. Okay. In 2002 in Islamabad, the friendly relations are being connected rapidly. मिनिस्ट्रियल यानी वजारती कमीशन का इजलास हुआ और उसमें मुख्तलिफ एग्रीमेंट्स पर दस्तखत भी किए गए. बिजनेस एग्रीमेंट्स. Then है business agreements. In the earthquake of 2005, which affected the large area of Pakistan and Azad Kashmir, Turkey aided Pakistan open-heartedly. 2005 में पाकिस्तान और आज़ाद कश्मीर में आने वाले जलसे में भी तुर्की ने पाकिस्तान की मदद की. In 2013, Turkey cooperated to inaugurate Lahore Metro Bus Service in Lahore. 2013 में मेट्रो बस जो है उसको इनागुरेट करने में मदद की. Also in 2030, the Prime Minister of Pakistan visited Turkey and the both countries stressed to further increase in bilateral relationships. The Prime Minister visited Turkey in 2009. In this tour, Turkish President and Prime Minister of Pakistan talked about promotion of trade and investment. In the present time, both countries are cooperating in different sectors including agriculture, transport, automobile, communication and construction. The leaders are exchanging visits. यहाँ पे आप हेडिंग बनाएंगे वेलफेयर विजिट्स एंड मीटिंग्स, ठीक है, और ऊपर आप हेडिंग बनाएंगे बिजनेस एग्रीमेंट्स. यहाँ पे आपका ये टॉपिक ख़त्म होता है.